Hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, I welcome all the students from all over the India, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, our India. Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night. Yeah, let us discuss today about the maximum height reached by a body in the case of projectile motion. Maximum height in the case of projectile motion. Projectile motion. So in the case of projectile motion, the maximum height reached by a body. Now let me draw a diagram here. Here we are considering one projectile motion. So it is a parabola path. At the maximum height, let me consider this is the maximum height. The vertical height from the surface. The vertical height from the surface is maximum height. Now startup velocity. You see here it is the startup velocity, and there is an angle here. With this angle, the body is projected. Now at the maximum height, velocity of the body at the maximum height is 0. Acceleration is equal to in the y direction, it is minus z. Acceleration in the y direction is minus z. It is effective because when the body is displacing from the surface, what is happening here? The acceleration is acting on the body. There is a negative acceleration acting on the body, then the velocity slowly comes to 0. The velocity of the body at the maximum height becomes 0. Now A is equal to minus z. Yeah, during the vertical displacement, yeah, how can we say that maximum height? Maximum height, H maximum is, we are calling it as H maximum. So the vertical displacement, of the body, the vertical displacement of a projected body, the vertical displacement of a projected body during the time of going, during the time of ascent, during the time of ascent, ascent, during the time of ascent. Spraying the scent to the body is ascent. During the time of going up, it will reaches to the maximum height. The body reaches to the maximum height during its traveling to the highest point. Its velocity becomes 0. Now take the variable parameters here. The velocity of the starting velocity is taken as u sin theta in the y direction, because the body is traveling in the y direction. The body start up with the y direction, and we are considering for the maximum height. Acceleration of the body is equal to going up is minus z. Final velocity reaching to the highest point is 0. Then from this equation, take the displacement equation. Displacement is how much? S is equal to H maximum. The displacement here, this is the displacement of the body from the surface to the height. That is the displacement of the body. We are taking this second equation, displacement equation. We are not related with the time here. Time equation, V is equal to U plus 80. Displacement equation, we have V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. There is no time here. And S is equal to UT plus half AT square. There is a time and displacement. It is a time and displacement equation. So consider only the displacement equation. That what we have, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. E square minus U square is equal to 2s in the case of vertically projected body. Here we are considering for the y axis direction. Okay, so this is 0. In the y direction it is 0. So here we are considering as 0 minus initial velocity, startup velocity in the y direction is u sin theta, that is the square is there here. We have square. And 2, A is equal to minus z, and S is equal to maximum height. We are considering the displacement from the surface is maximum height. Okay, then minus u square sin square theta. This is because square is here. Here we have one square is there. So u square sin square theta minus is at the side, and here also we have one minus for the gravity. 2g h maximum. 2g h maximum. Now minus sign get cancelled. Minus sign on both sides get cancelled. Then h maximum is equal to H maximum height reached by the body is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g comes to denominator. This h maximum side 2g comes to denominator. Now you see that this is the maximum height reached by the body during the time of ascent. During the time of ascent, this is the maximum height reached by the body. This equation shows that the body has reached to the maximum height. That means when you know the u value, initial velocity, when you know the angle, and when you know the g value is a constant term, then you can calculate the h maximum. So this body can reach to the maximum height depends only on u and sin theta. G value is a constant term. Okay children, have a nice day. Make a note of it.